Now let's make fancy snacks for our evening tea. Here are the ingredients: milk, sugar, yeast, egg, vanilla essence. Then we whisk it all together. Add your all-purpose flour. Add salt. And then let's knead our dough and add a little bit of oil, butter or margarine, but for us we are using butter. Give it a good kneading till soft, just like mine. Then from there, let it rest in a bowl and cover it to double in size. After some few minutes or hours, depending on the temperature, let's puff our dough and give it a soft kneading. Then from this point, let's spread it up for the final process. Let's spread it out on a flat surface. Then let's cut the shapes of our snacks. Mine, I just cut the margins so that we can create a very good shape. And when you form that rectangle shape, we just cut along the dough. Then check on my shapes. If they impress you, you can use these ones. If they don't impress you, then you can still have your option. From this point, lay them on a greaseproof paper, or if you don't have a greaseproof paper, just dust your surface with flour to avoid them attaching themselves with the surface. Cover them up for a few minutes for them to rest and double a little bit. Then let's fry it in hot oil. Ensure the oil is not too hot because it might burn your snacks. Keep on turning them to achieve that golden color. And here we go. These are your evening snacks. Really rich in butter, rich in milk. Wow. And from there you can dust it with some icing sugar, and these are the results. Wow. If you love the recipe and you want to try it, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. Look at that, how soft it is. See you in the next video. Bye.